Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this cute crochet gingerbread man, and I made two of them and sewed them together with medium worsted yarn and F hook. The pattern is down below. If this is too fast, there's a video on how to place it in slow motion, and there's a beginner stitches playlist as well. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get started. Okay, to get started, you're going to make the head first and then you'll attach it later. So if you have never done the magic circle, all you need to do is just wrap it around your fingers. There is a link below on how to do this. I just grab underneath with my yarn and then pull the yarn through and then create a chain. So yarn over and pull through, and then I do a chain of 2 because this will be considered a double crochet with this chain 3. I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook in the circle, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So now you have the 2 stitches, the chain 3 and the double crochet, and you will need 10 more for a total of 12. And then you're just going to pull it close and then slip stitch on top of that chain 3. And then yarn over and pull through to create the slip stitch. You can pull it a little bit tighter, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through. Set this aside. This is the head. You will attach this later. Okay, so this is the center of the body. You're going to do a magic ring. Just place it over your fingers. There's a link on how to do this if this is your first time. Then place your hook under, grab the yarn, and create a chain 3. So yarn over, pull through, and create 2 more chains. And then this is your first stitch, counts as the double crochet, and you're going to do 9 more for a total of 10. So just yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then continue on until you have 8 more for a total of 10. Then you're just going to pull it closed here, and you're going to slip stitch into the chain 3, and then you're going to chain 5. This will be the arms. Double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. So 1, 2, and then 3. Insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Then double crochet into the next 2 stitches. and then slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through, and then go to the next stitch, insert your hook, slip stitch. Now you're going to chain 7. So on the 3rd chain, double crochet, and then double crochet in the next 4 chains. Then slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. And then you're going to chain 7 again. And then in the 3rd chain, you're going to work a double crochet, and this is all repeat. Double crochet in the next 4 stitches. Slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. And then chain 5. And then double crochet in the 3rd stitch from the hook. This is all repeat again. Double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then slip stitch into the stitch, slip stitch again, and then you can yarn over and pull through. You can take your circle that you made and take your yarn and attach it, and then attach the head right in the center here. Okay, do that a few times to make sure this is secure on top. I'm going to do eyes with a yarn needle and have it go in through the back, twist it a little bit to go back in to create the eye. You can do it a couple more times if you want to. Have it go up through here again, and then back onto the side, and then you'll just tie it in the inside. So you can just go ahead and tie it right in the back, and then just do the other side for the eye. And you can make a little smiley face. You can even take your little glue gun if you need to secure it in place. And then you take your white yarn, place a slip knot onto it, and you're going to attach the 2 ends together. I'm starting by the arms with slip stitches, so just insert your hook, grab the yarn, and then pull it through. And then just keep attaching your ends together and creating that slip stitch. You're going to do that all around the legs, up to the arms and around the face back to the beginning. So you're going to do that all the way down, going back up and around the head and back around these arms too. It's going to seal it in the back here, and then in the front. If you want the thickness, then you're just going to have to reverse it. If you want the thinness on the front here with the face, or just this thickness. Now you're at the beginning stitch here. You can just slip stitch and fasten off. If you want to add some black eyes or a black buttons in the center, you can do that. So just yarn over and pull through. Then you can just weave in all of your ends here in the back. I hope you enjoyed this crochet gingerbread man tutorial, and the pattern is down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.